Now let's have a look at subtraction. And of course, first the very basics. For subtraction, we also got this syntax where we have a quick way of subtracting b from a. So if I now print a, what do you think we'll get? Well, we get 11 because this is just a short way to write a equals a minus b. And as you already saw before as well, we also get this minus minus syntax here to subtract 1. So that's all great, but it's definitely interesting to see what happens if we subtract a minus b, and now we have two strings. So for example, split us, and here us. What do you think? Do you think we'll get just split? We get not a number. Subtraction doesn't work like addition. JavaScript can't figure out that much as it is able to do with addition. Addition is simple with strings, it just concatenates them. Here it would have to search for us in the first string, and it's not doing that. Therefore we simply get not a number. It's not able to do subtraction with strings. What do you think we get if I have 12 and then b being 1 but as a string? Remember, when we were adding this, we got a result of a string being 121, but a string again. So what do you think we'll get now? Well, now we get 11. So when subtracting, as I already said, JavaScript is not able to construct new strings out of that. Therefore, it falls back to the other way of subtraction it knows, using numbers. And it tries if it is able to cast this string into a number, which is of course possible with 1. And therefore it's actually doing this calculation even though the second argument, b, isn't a number. Of course we can still also use true and null and not a number and undefined, but here the behavior doesn't change compared to the addition case where we would get back not a number if using undefined or not a number, or where we would be able to use true or false as 1 or 0, or use null as 0. So that all doesn't change. The important parts were the ones I just showed here when using strings with numbers.